Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Filecoin first broke out a down channel and after that it also broke out another descending triangle as well on the daily time frame chart. Then we had a very nice value of Filecoin and this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this triangle and from this channel, and after this rally, the price line is recently rejected by this long-term resistance of $8.12. That was recently working as support here for several days and resistance here. And now again, it is breaking at a very strong resistance, and now the price line is dropped down at the next long-term support of $6.36. That was recently breaking as a very strong resistance here for several days or weeks. And before that, it was breaking at a resistance here and resistance here as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that since after the month of December 2020 up till the month of October 2023, the price line has been moving inside this wedge. And after that, after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but after that, the price line was stuck inside this channel. And now recently, we have broken out this channel and this smaller descending triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for XVG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 19th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first the price line dropped down, entered the buying zone here, then we had a very nice pump. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months. Previously, it had been moving inside this long down channel. And when it was moving inside this channel at that time, we also found the support and resistance of this descending triangle as well. And after the breakout, after a few days or weeks, the price has been moving inside this descending triangle. And finally, we broke out the resistance. And after the breakout, the price line retested the previous resistance of the triangle as support and geared up. Now, recently, the price line of Filecoin is rejected by this long-term resistance of $8.27, and now it is dropped down to this next long-term support of $6.36. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $8.12 has been previously breaking as a support here, resistance here, and now again it is working as a resistance, and this $6.36 has been previously working as a resistance here for several weeks, and resistance here as well. Therefore, now it can work as a strong support because the previous resistance can work or flip into a strong and long-term support for the price. And here you can see that despite this long spike to the downside, the price could not break down this support so far. Now, if you take a look at the technical targets, then we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this descending triangle, but the price is not able to hit the target for the breakout from this channel so far. And that target will be here at the top of this channel. That is approximately at $11.40. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance that was previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Filecoin. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is also still due. You can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern here in the month of September 2023. And the target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. It can be somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.